Okay, what we're about to do is we're gonna make our own degreaser. So in order to do that, it's quite simple. Everything of the ingredients I have here, you can find it at home. So all you need first to do is put a one half cup of water onto the water bottle here. The water bottle is actually 500 ml, and that will help. So you're gonna need to use a funnel. If you have one, it would be great. It would be a lot easier for you. So we'll put in the one half cup of water, half cup of water. Okay, there we go. And then we'll put in the laundry detergent. It's a powder one I have here. So you can use you can actually use the liquid one. Now for the powder, you're gonna need to have a 1/4 cup or 60 ml powder. Okay, there we go. All right, put it right in. And there we go. Now for the we're gonna need to have a soap, dishwashing soap. Okay, we're just gonna need about 1/8 of a cup or 30 ml for this one. All right, put it right there, and there we go. Last but not the least, vinegar should come last because put the vinegar last. Alright. Still, we're gonna be using a 1/2 cup or 125 ml. Alright, we'll pour it in little by little. This is gonna create a bit of a foam. Now we're gonna need to remove some of this. We're gonna add a few water on it. Just let it shake up a bit. Okay, now let's put, and you're done. Try it here. So exactly where I want it to be. And we'll mix this up. Now let's go have a test. This is an example of a greased up engine. So we're gonna spray on the part where we're gonna need to clean it up. So just all you do is just spray it up, okay, and leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can put all of it if you like. But I'm more concerned about here because it has already built up. Grime has already built up. Okay. And once 15 minutes or 10 minutes is done, you're gonna need to have a water hose to clean it all up, and that will clean up the grime off your engine. There we go. Just clean it all up. And while I still have a bit more, I'll clean this up as well. Let's see if it does work. Just this part. Now we'll just have to wait about 10 to 15 minutes. A lot of grime coming down. Maybe the carburetor gets cleaned. With a much stronger power wash, you can remove that easily. If you have a toothbrush, it's gonna be a lot easier. So there you have it. It just comes off real quick. See? Doesn't even leave a mark. The chains. This one is paint. That one is paint. A while ago it was too dark. You can't even see it. That's your DIY degreaser. Thank you for watching.